Another happy customer at Placentia Super Service. Monica A. gave us a 5-star review on Yelp. She wrote, "Set up an appointment on their website and was able to make one within the hour, the first thing on a Monday morning. My '07 Tahoe was starting to feel like it wanted to stall out and sounded horrible as I exited the freeway the evening before. Dropped it off at 8 a.m., and by 10 a.m. I had a text with a link that took me to my inspection details and the health of my vehicle. It was noted with a random misfire on cylinders number 1 and number 8, and the recommendation said, need new motor. When I read that, I immediately called and spoke with Don. He then explained it at length to me. He, the technician, said to him, it appears that a couple of the valve lifters collapsed and confirmed the cylinder misfiring. Worst case scenario, a new motor that can be as expensive as $12,000, but he couldn't be sure without taking it apart. Most of that price is labor. Which I had understood. Fast forward a few days. Turns out Don was right. While it was still about half of the original estimate, at least I didn't need a new motor. It was in fact the valve lifters and cylinder misfiring that was causing my vehicle to get sick. At first, I had considered just not putting the money into it. However, I only have 75k miles on it, and I take really good care of the vehicle. Prices of new/used cars right now are nuts, and of course not having a car payment was considered. I am very happy with the work that was done, the ease of getting it there, looked at, and fixed within a week, and especially the staff service of every employee I interacted with regarding this issue. Absolutely confident in their work and service, and will absolutely use them again and again and again.